Hello my friends, welcome back to Literacy. Today in your CJ, please write Lesson 13, Part 2 for whatever day you're having class. And pause the video if you need more time, but I am going to move on. Okay, so today for our phonogram review, we are going to need, if you have a whiteboard, please get a whiteboard out. If you don't have a whiteboard, you can just use a piece of paper. That's totally fine. And on one side of your whiteboard or your paper, I want you to write consonant R. Pause the video if you need more time to write that on one side, nice and big. And on the other side, I want you to write, I forgot to erase my whiteboard last time I used it. I want you to write R controlled vowels, ER, IR, UR, EAR. Okay, so you should have a whiteboard or a piece of paper with that written, one on one side and one on the other side. Okay, so I'm going to say some words, and I want you to show me, if I make my little bubble bigger, I want you to show me the correct side, okay? And then I'll show you my side, and you can double check and make sure that you got it right, okay? Okay, so the first word I'm going to say is train. Train. Is that a consonant R or is that an R-controlled vowel? Train. 3, 2, 1. It's consonant R. T-R-A-I-N. Okay, next one. Let's do search. Search. Search is an R-controlled vowel. All right, E-A-R in that instance. Let's do winner. Winner. That is also an R-controlled vowel. E-R at the end of winner. All right, let's do trim. I need to trim my hair. Trim. That's consonant R. Good job. All right, what about rustle? Rustle. I heard the leaves rustle in the wind. Rustle. That's also consonant R. All right, let's do burn. Burn. That's an R-controlled vowel. U-R, B-U-R-N. Let's do swirl. Swirl. I want vanilla chocolate swirl ice cream. 3, 2, 1. That's R-controlled vowel. Let's do 2 more. Let's do craft. Craft. I love doing crafts. Crafts. 3, 2, 1. That would be consonant R. And let's do one more. Let's do break. I hope I do not break my arm. Break. 3, 2, 1. That's consonant R also. B-R-E-A-K. Good job. All right, you can put that away. Whoops. And in your spelling journal or Wherever you take notes, just have that handy. And we're going to open our workbook to page 131. Page 131. And I'm going to make my little bubble smaller again. There we go. Page 131 in our workbook. Awesome. Okay, so here in our workbook, we have a list of some of the common words that use IR, UR, and EAR to spell the sound Read each word and highlight the R-controlled vowel, okay? We'll do the first row together. Okay, so we have bird. So we're going to highlight our R-controlled vowel, and hurt, and search. Awesome. Pretty easy, right? I want you to do that for the rest of the words. Take like 30 seconds to do it, okay? Go ahead and pause the video and highlight those spellings. Pause the video. Okay, so you should have read and highlighted all of these words. And now I want you to look, and I want you to remember what spelling of is the most common. Do you remember? It's not any of these ones. It's ER. Good. And what spelling is the least common? Do you remember from yesterday or your last lesson? It's EAR. EAR is the least common spelling of EAR actually has only 13 common base words which use the phonogram EAR. You have 7 of them listed right here. Okay, so in your spelling journal or piece of paper or your notebook or whatever, I want you to make this, don't forget these little hints up here, and I want you to copy all the words from your workbook into the correct column. Okay? Okay, so go ahead and do that, and then we'll come back together and do some ER ones. All right, so I need you to pause the video again and transfer them real quick. Okay, pause the video. Okay, if you're playing the video, that means your chart looks just like mine, and you have transferred the words from your workbook onto your notes or spelling journal. Okay, let's do some ER words together. All right. First and foremost, of course, we have to do her, obviously. And now we're going to do person, and term, and let's do cracker, and picture, and let's do water, and last one, let's do mother. And these are just some examples. Remember, this is most common. 80% of words with the sound is spelled ER, and this is just a very small fraction of words to give us a idea of what kind of words have ER and where you can find ER in the word. Okay, great job. Okay, now we need our spelling analysis to be done. Okay, so let us turn to page 132. 132 in our workbook. Okay, here we go. And we are doing level B, just as always. And I want us to start with our first word. And our first word is first. Say first. Good. How many syllables? Just the one, so we can go ahead and start sounding it out. Let's sound it out together. First. Good job. And finger spell. The of bird. Z. T. Nice job. Oh, that's super blurry. Hold on, my camera. Okay. Nice job. And we are going to underline our new phonogram that we've been learning. IR. Good job. All right, our second word is second. I'm not kidding. Second. Missy took second place in the tournament. How many syllables are in the word second? Second. There's two. Good job. Let's do the first one. The first syllable is sec. Let's sound it out. S-E-K. Sec. Good. And finger spell, we have Z. E. K. S. Awesome. And our second syllable in sec-ond is ond. Good. And so this one, it definitely has a schwa sound. And so I'm enunciating it right now. So normally we say second. And you hear that sound, right? But we're going to pronounce it as sec-ond. Okay? So we have a-n-d. Good. To finger spell, we have A-O-U-N-D. Good. And we don't have any phonograms here. Remember, C will soften to the S sound when followed by E, I, or Y, which isn't happening here. So C still says K. And any vowel, this one in this instance, may say its schwa sound when it's in an unstressed syllable or word. So O is definitely unstressed here, and it is now saying the sound when we speak normally. All right, number 3. Our third word is third. No, not kidding. Third. Joshua came in third place. Looking at you, Joshua. All right, how many syllables are in the word third? Is that right? Just one. Good job. Let's sound it out. D. Good job. And let's finger spell it. The of bird. D. So the of bird and D. Good job. And let's underline that phonogram. All right, number 4. Number 4 is squirrel. 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 The squirrel is eating a nut. How many syllables are in the word squirrel? Squirrel. 2. Let's do the first one. The first syllable is squir. Kind of funny. Let's sound it out. All right, let's finger spell because that's pretty tricky. z, qu, the of bird. Okay, and the second syllable in squirrel is rel. Good job. Let's sound it out. O. And finger spell. E, O. Good. Let's underline our phonogram. And we have two, Q-U and I-R. And remember, Q always needs a U. And that when I normally say squirrel, the E is saying that sound. It's again saying a schwa sound. But when we enunciate squirrel, we make it say eh. But in this case, it's an unstressed syllable, so E is saying its schwa sound here. All right. Our fifth word is, got messed up. Our fifth word is sweatshirt. Say sweatshirt. Good. Letitia has a warm sweatshirt. I love being cozy. How many syllables are in the word sweatshirt? 2. Good job. The first syllable is sweat, so let's sound it out. S-w-e-t. And finger spell. S-z-w-e-a-t. Awesome. And the second syllable in sweatshirt is shirt. Let's sound it out. Sh-er-t. And finger spell. We have sh used only at the beginning of a word and at the end of a syllable. Use the of bird. T. Awesome. And let's underline those phonograms. Nicely done. And looking at E-A-A, what sound is E-A-A making in sweat? E-A-A. It's making its second sound, so we're going to put a 2 over it. Good job. Number 6, we have young. Say young. We have a young puppy. Only one syllable, so let's sound it out. Y-a-ng. Awesome. And let's finger spell. Y-I-I-E. Ow-o-oo-ng. So Y-I-I-E. Ow-o-oo-ng. Ooh, nice job. Let's underline our phonograms. And we got to look at ow-o-oo-uh and decide what sound it's making. So young, What is the sound? Where does that come? Ow, just paper cut myself. Where does that come in? Which sound is that? Ow-o-oo-uh. It's its fourth sound, so we're going to write a 4 over young. That doesn't happen often. All right, number 7, scold. Say scold. Their parents scold them when they fight over the toy. Just one syllable, so let's sound it out. S-k-o-old. Good. And finger spell. Z, k, s, o, sorry. I did that wrong. I did sklod. Let's try again. Z, k, s, o, d. There we go. Nice job. All right, and O is saying it's long sound here, so we are going to mark a macron over it. Good job. All right, number 8 is return. Say return. He is trying to return the ball to the other player. How many syllables are in return? 2. Good job. And the first one is re. So let's sound it out. E. And finger spell. E. Pretty easy. And the second syllable in return is turn. Sound it out. Finger spell. Use the of hurt. Good. Let's underline that phonogram. And we have a syllable or a vowel that is saying it's a long sound, so we need to put the macron over it. Good job. All right, number 9, snow. Say snow. Let's play in the snow. Only one syllable, so let's just sound it out. S-n-o. Finger spell. S-z-n-ow-o. Good. Let's underline our phonogram. And is OW saying its first sound or its second sound? It's saying its second sound, so we're going to put a 2 over it. Good job. Number 10, yogurt. Say yogurt. The vanilla yogurt tastes great with berries. There are 2 syllables in yogurt, so let's sound out the first one together, which is yo. Yo, yo, yo. Just kidding. All right. Y-o. Finger spell. Y-I-I-E. O. And our second syllable is gurt. So let's sound it out. G-er-t. And finger spell. G-er. Use the of hurt. T. Good. And underline that phonogram. And then we have another vowel saying it's long O sound at the end of the syllable. So we are going to mark that with a macron. Nice job. Let me move the camera down a little bit. All right. Number 11, grow. Say grow. There is a plant starting to grow on the deck. One syllable. So let's sound it out. G-er-o. Good job. And let's finger spell. G-er-ow-o. And underline our phonogram. And our phonogram is saying what sound? Is it saying ow or o? It's saying its second sound o. So we are going to put a 2 over it. All right, number 12. feed. Say feed. Can you feed the dog? One syllable, so let's just sound it out. E-d. Finger spell. E-double-E-d. And underline our phonogram. Nice job. Number 13, earth. Say earth. The earth is round. One syllable again, so we're going to sound it out. Nice job. And let's finger spell it. Earth, three-letter And let's underline our phonograms. And that's our whole word is made of phonograms in that one. Nice job. Number 14. Explain. Say explain. The dentist will explain the procedure. Two syllables here in explain. The first syllable is X, so let's sound it out. X. And finger spell. X. Good. And the second syllable in explain is plain. Let's sound it out. P-O-A-N. Finger spell. P-O-A, two-letter A, that may not be used at the end of English words. N. And underline that phonogram. Good job. And the last one is cover. Say cover. The book I am looking for has an orange cover. Two syllables in the word cover. And we're actually going to pronounce the first syllable as cov. Okay? Cov. Cover. All right, let's sound out cov. K-A-V. Finger spell. K-S-A. A-O-U. V. K-S-A-O-U. V. We got a schwa sound in here. And our second syllable in cover is Let's sound it out. Finger spell. The of her. Pretty easy. Let's underline that phonogram. And we have O saying its schwa sound here. It's going and that's because it's an unstressed syllable. Cover. Is the stressed syllable there. Okay, all right, we are all done for today. Great job, my friends. Don't forget to do your exit ticket if you have one, and I will see you next time.